Hi, welcome back to another video. Bit of a mix again today. My voice is slowly coming back. It's almost back to normal. I can just feel a little bit of a tickle there at the back of the throat, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to get rid of it this week. These have came today. I've had another parcel but I wasn't in, so I think these might well be the same as the other ones, what I've got, what I showed you in yesterday's video. So we'll have a quick look because I'm not sure. Oh no, they're different. I haven't had that one. That's quite nice. And I haven't got that one, that's for sure. Nor that one. Well, that's really nice actually. Maybe I did choose a different one then. I must have done, because they're all different. I thought they was the same. That's nice, I like that. My favourite colours, green and blue. So yeah, that's that one. These are all AliExpress. And they will be going in my little folder in a minute. I will. Let's have a look at these. I was itching to get my hands on these ones because I love paisley pattern or anything like that. That's what happens when you're a child of the 70s. Paisley patterning. Oh, come on, don't stick your blighter. Oh, that one's sticky. That's really nice. I like that. Me likes it. Ooh, and I like that one as well. Actually, looking at that one, I think that's the one I've seen on a pair on a set of nails, and it looked absolutely beautiful what the girl did with it. Because she did a nail what was half acrylic and then half that. But with the jewels and everything what she put on it, it looked amazing, and I can't remember where I've seen it. I think it was on Facebook somewhere, so I'm gonna go and search for it. Oh, I like that, that's unusual. That's quite nice. That's almost like an Indian pattern, isn't it, like they have on their saris and that. It's quite nice, that. Ah, paisley patterning, my favourite. Look at that. It's pink, darn! I still like it. This one I love. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ooh, now I like that. I really like that. I'm not as keen on that one. No, that one doesn't talk to me. That's nice. I like the one in the middle. Oh, I'm happy with those anyway. I think I got those when it was the Black Friday sale thing, and they were all so cheap. They were. Right, today we are going to swatch these because I haven't touched them. Oops. These are what I got from Pumpkin's nail station for my secret Santa. We were allowed to tell people what we got after, but not until everybody had opened theirs. And when I read the card out, it never even dawned on me because she actually put in the card. In fact, the card is here and I will show you. Yes, there was a lot of glitter in it. It's quite bright actually. Let's see if we can do that. Look, it says at the bottom, love, Pumpkin and the Glitter Girls. And I never even realised that it was Sarah what sent it. But to my defence, I was ill. So my brain's not myself at the moment. But she has got these for me, and oh my god, they're lovely. They're to die for. They have so much glitter in them. So we are going to swatch these in a minute. I will leave Sarah's YouTube channel link down below in the description box, so we'll do that in a sec. I'm going to quickly do this one, which is Melissa from Savage Granny's Claws sent me a mix, what she did, bless her, amongst other things. I'm just going to give it a quick shaky round. Obviously this is acrylic, what she's done. Oh, you have to excuse me sniffing and whatnot. I am still bunged up, but I'm trying to ignore it. I am. To make sure I get everything out of my brush, because when I've finished using my brush, if I've done a set and I've cleaned it, I always put a tiny bit of cuticle oil on it, because at the end of the day it is like sable hair what's come off a fox, to be truthful. So, and as I know with horses, animals have oils in their coat to protect the hair. So I have a separate nails coconut cuticle oil, what I always use on my brushes. So it just makes your brushes nice. It does. See, a handy little tip for you. Look at all the glitter in that. Wowee. That's a lot of glitter. Pick a bigger one up this time. You've mixed that really nice actually. Let's get some of that up the side. Looks like there's tinsel in there as well, you know, like the strands. That's really nice. Hopefully you can see that. Might be better if I put my hand under it. So there's pinks in there, there's purples. There is, oh, sorry, my dogs are out the back now. There is strands in there in like a purple colour, and I'd call it a cerise pink really, not purple. And some silver strands, and there's very fine glitter in there as well. Looks really nice. Right, let me just put a little bit of monomer on that one, because I don't want to leave it like that. Put the tops on there, and then we will swatch this. I will also leave Melissa's link down below as well. What I'm going to do with these is I am going to speed up through it as I go. So I will put the first coat on and then maybe speed through the second one, but I will put some music over it so you don't hear me rambling. Okay? Okay, I'm going to put some top coat on the backs of them, but that just to, or I might just get the tacky layer off, I don't know yet. But I probably could have got away with one coat on those because they are actually really pigmented. They are really good. That one is 58014. Okay, that's the pink one. Pick it up, Joe. Right, that one is 58011. That's the same. It's like a, it was really pigmented. That's like a rusty colour, I would say. And that one is 58012, which is the, would I call it purple or would I call it lilac? I would probably call it purple. I'd say it's a little bit darker than lilac. But that's they're just so pigmented. They're really good. Okay, that one is 58015. That I would call like a yellow gold. That would be brilliant for you know, if I was going to do last year like a beehive with some bees and that in the summer on some nails, and I hadn't got a colour to do it with, so that will be ideal. Absolutely beautiful. And my ultimate favourite, because it's green, 58013, so that's another nice one. But they just, honestly, I could have got away with one coat quite easily. So they're really nice. I like them. Right, I'm going to put some top coat on the back, or I may actually, no, I'm going to put some top coat on the back just to make sure that nothing comes off there. And I'll take some photos and leave some photos at the end of the nail with the acrylic, because that should be dry now. Yep. And each of these I will. Thank you to Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station for these, for my Secret Santa. I've been itching to put them on some swatch pops and have a look at them, but where I wasn't very well, I just thought I'm better off leaving it until I'm in a better headspace, because, well, I was going to say my head wasn't mine, if you know what I mean. Still isn't, but I'm getting there. So yeah, normal service is resumed. The end of the week I am going to do a giveaway for this beautiful thing, and I will probably do some glitters as well, so maybe 2 people. I will. Yeah, I think I will. Yes, definitely. Right, I will leave you in peace, and I will do I've got a box of Beetles gel polishes which Les bought me for Christmas, so in the next one I'm going to be doing those, swatching them. Okay, bye.